NAPCO fittings. NAPCO fittings segment includes injection molded SDR35 gasketed sewer fittings from 4 inches to 12 inches and fabricated in sizes 15 inches to 36 inches. Our G-Series fittings are designed for maximum performance in the most demanding environments, along with ease of installation. Heavy-duty reducing branches utilizing a minimum of DR18 wall thickness are used in injection molded 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch Ts, Weiss, and T-Weiss to reinforce the strength of important branch intersections. Injection molded SDR26 gasketed heavy wall sewer fittings from 4 inches to 12 inches and fabricated in sizes 15 inches to 36 inches. Our H-Series fittings are designed for maximum performance in the toughest environments with a reinforced wall that is 34.5% thicker than SDR35 and a superior high-impact gasket retention ring. The gasket and shock-absorbing properties of the gasket retention ring combine to reduce the effect of impact on 4 to 8-inch sizes for a more resilient system. Injection molded SDR35 solvent weld sewer fittings from 3 inches to 12 inches and fabricated in sizes 10 inches to 36 inches. Our P-Series fittings are designed and manufactured to consistent dimensions and lay lengths to deliver a securely sealed, watertight joint connection on every installation. All fittings are thoroughly tested for joint tightness, internal stress, stability, color, and uniformity. SDR35 solvent weld sewer fittings conform to all municipal, federal, and military requirements. Injection molded SDR26, Class 160 non-pressure fittings, gasketed drain fittings from 4 inches to 8 inches, and fabricated in sizes 10 inches to 24 inches. Our T-Series fittings are engineered to accommodate applications requiring Class 160 IPS pipe for gravity drainage. A special collar design permanently locks the gasket into the fitting, ensuring a secure fit. This collar design also ensures a robust seal preventing infiltration and exfiltration. To make it easy to identify in the field, the collar and ring are a distinctive blue color. To learn more about NAPCO pipe and fittings, visit our website at napcopipe.com.